In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track a hashtag using Hootsuite. If you're keen on managing and monitoring your social media presence, particularly following specific hashtags, Hootsuite can be an incredible tool. Let's dive right into it and guide you through the steps to set this up effectively. First things first, open your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other, and head over to Hootsuite.com. It's vital to start here because all your hashtag tracking will be managed through this platform. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your Hootsuite account. If you're new to Hootsuite, you might find the layout a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. After logging in, take a look at the main menu on the left side of the screen. You should see an option labeled Streams. Click on that. Now, this is the area where you'll create custom feeds based on the content you want to track. If you're familiar with other social media management tools, this process is somewhat similar, but Hootsuite offers a nice integrated approach across various platforms. Next, you'll need to choose the social network where you want to keep tabs on the hashtag. Most commonly, people track hashtags on Twitter and Instagram, but Hootsuite supports several platforms, so select the one that best fits your needs. After your social network is selected, click on Add Stream. This will allow you to create a new stream specifically for the hashtag you are interested in. Now you will need to choose the profile or account for which you wish to add the stream. This is important, especially if you manage multiple accounts or have various pages under your management umbrella. Once you've selected your desired account, you'll be asked to select the stream type. Here, you'll want to choose Search as the type of stream. This option is designated for content that includes your chosen hashtag. In the search bar that appears, enter the hashtag you want to track. Be sure to include the pound sign. For example, you might type in #marketing-tips. It's crucial to make sure this is accurate to ensure you're monitoring the right content. After inputting the hashtag, you'll be prompted to add this stream to your dashboard, which is your main workspace in Hootsuite. Once added, you'll see real-time posts containing your selected hashtag pop up in this stream. It's fascinating to watch as new content rolls in, and you're not limited to just one stream. Feel free to add multiple hashtag streams to keep an eye on different topics that matter to you. Hootsuite even allows you to use filters or save searches if you need more precise monitoring, making it easier than ever to keep your finger on the pulse of social media trends.